Being a multi-vendor seller, do you still face issues whenever a customer places an order and you're not able to deliver auto-generated emails about their order status? Well, your race to send emails about an order status ends here because we just have a perfect solution that allows the admin and sellers to set up the SMTP configuration, and then they can easily send emails to their customers about order confirmation, invoices, shipments, and credit memos as well. Hi, my name is Vaibhav, and in this video, we are going to explore our new module, Magento 2 Multi-Vendor SMTP extension. But before that, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest content. So now, let's quickly check the module's functionality. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. So now we are on the admin and dashboard, and from here we'll navigate to the left menu. We see the option of marketplace management here. We'll click on it. Under that, we are able to see the marketplace SMTP configuration settings. We'll click on that. Now we are on the configuration page. Here we see the mail sending settings. So firstly, we are able to see the disable email communications, which is by default set as no. Then we are able to see the transport option, which we have selected as SMTP. The other option is for send mail. So we'll click on SMTP only. Next up, we have the option for enable separate SMTP for seller, and by default it is selected as yes. We'll also click on yes. Next up, we have the host option. We'll enter the host name here, then the port number, set return path, which is by default set as no. Then we'll set the username, password, auth, SSL. So these are the basic details that we have to enable while configuring the SMTP multi-vendor SMTP extension. So by enabling all these options, we'll click on save configuration. So now the module is enabled, and we have already registered 2 sellers and already opened the front end here. We'll see how after placing an order, emails will be auto-generated. So moving to the front end part, here we are able to see a product here, which is sold by seller 2. We'll click to add to cart this product. Here we have already entered as a customer here. So we'll click on add to cart and move to the cart option. We'll proceed to checkout. And all the basic details are entered already. We'll click on next. We'll place the order. So now this order has been confirmed, and we'll check our email whether we have received an email regarding the same for the order confirmation. We'll move to our inbox. Here we are able to see the test seller name, and we have already received one email which says thank you for your order from main website store, and here are the billing info and order details. So now moving forward, we'll move to the seller end, and here I have already entered the seller account. On the right menu, we are able to see the my account option. So basically from here, the seller can easily set up the configurations. We'll click on the SMTP configuration here. And here we see the option for enabling the SMTP, yes or no, host name, port number, its username, password, its auth, and SSL. So next up we see the order history here, and from here we can see the order details. Like the customer has ordered the headphone, and already they have received the order confirmation email. We will click on view order. As of now, the order will be in pending stage. So we'll be creating an invoice, and an email will be sent for the same. So now we'll click on invoice, and it says, are you sure you want to create an invoice? We'll click on OK, and under that we are able to see the new invoice. It's all the details are here. Now dragging it down, we will see the option of email copy of invoice. We'll click on the checkbox and confirm all the details are okay or not. Well, it's okay as of now, and we'll submit the invoice. So invoice has been created for this order, and now we'll be checking our email whether we have received an invoice email as well. We'll be back, moving to our Gmail account. Again, coming back to the inbox. So now we have received the invoice email as well from the same seller. So these are the details that we'll receive in the mail for invoice. Now moving back again to the seller page. Now we'll click on the shipment. We'll create the shipment for this order. Again, it will ask, are you sure you want to create the shipment? We'll click on OK. And here the new shipment will be created. All the details we'll be able to see. We'll be able to see the shipping information. We'll select, enter the carrier name and enter the tracking number. Randomly we have entered it here. And again, we have the option to email copy of the shipment. We'll click on the checkbox and again click on submit shipment. So now the shipment has been created. We'll again move to the Gmail inbox again. And as you're able to see that we have again received an email for the order has been shipped. And again, the details are here. So yeah, the response is pretty quick with the emails. And now, as of now, the order has been complete. So lastly, we have the option for the refund as well, which is the credit memo option. We'll click on credit memo. So credit memo option, we are able to see the details or items to be refunded. It says the product name headphone, its amount. So we have the option now, email copy of the credit memo. We'll click on the checkbox and refund offline option. So now that you have created the credit memo and the order will be closed here. So back again to the inbox, we'll refresh it. So yes, now we have received the credit memo email as well, which says that thank you for the order from the main website. You can check the status for your order. So your credit memo for order number this, and these are the details of this email. So now we have the option for the like whenever a customer places an order from two different sellers, so they will be receiving an email from different sellers as well. So that this is how we are going to place an order. Again, we are on the front end. We are able to see the headphone option again, and we'll click to add to cart, and we'll open another product which we have opened in another tab. So yes, we are able to see this another product, a laptop, which is sold by the seller 1, and we'll click to add to cart. So now we'll be moving to the cart option, and we are able to see two different products which are sold by different sellers. We'll proceed to checkout. So again, we'll click on next and place our order. So now the order is confirmed and we'll check the order details. Yeah, it says this we have ordered two different products from two different sellers. So now we'll be checking our inbox again whether we have received two different emails from two different sellers. We'll refresh it. Yeah, so now we have with two different emails from test seller and the other one is this email. So yeah, this is how this separate email will be coming. It says your order number and other details in that. Now moving to the another email. Yeah, similarly, this is how the different email from different sellers will work. So yeah, that's pretty much about how the multi-vendor SMTP extension will work. And that's all about the functionalities of the module. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.ubdesk.com. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.